Hello guys, welcome to First of Innovation. Today we are going to make a snake game project. For that we require following components: Arduino Uno, dot matrix display, joystick, jumper wire, adapter cable. Let's do the circuit wiring. Connect the joystick ground to the Arduino's ground, VCC to 5V, VRX to A0, Y to A1, SW to the 7 of digital pin. For dot matrix, connect the ground of dot matrix to the ground of Arduino, VCC to the 5V, DIN to the 12th number pin, CS to 11 and CLK to 10th of digital pin. Connect the Arduino Uno to your PC or laptop for uploading the code. You can download the code from the description. After successful uploading of the code, let's play the game.
Game over.
Thank you. Like, share, subscribe and follow us for more.